Hello. To start optimizing your products for SEO with AI-generated titles, descriptions, meta tags, breadcrumbs, and more, follow these next steps. Go to Marketing AI Tools on your AppScenic account and click on SEO. You will get to this AI SEO page where you can see all your imported products on this tab. On the other tab are the products that have already been improved with our SEO tool. To start using our AI SEO tool, first, choose a product and click on its name to land on its page. The AI icon is placed on the right side of your product page. You can either click on it to improve product SEO details using AI, or go to the end of the product page and take all these fields one by clicking on their respective AI icon. We will click on the icon placed on top of the product page as this generates new SEO improvements for all those fields at the same time. A pop-up will appear and you will have to confirm you want to run AI SEO improvements on that product. This notification will also appear letting you know that the AI is working in the background and the improvements will be ready soon. Once the AI has done its magic, you will see on the right side of that product page the status completed under AI SEO improvements. Now, to check your new SEO improvements, just scroll down. First, you have the AI title and description. You need to check each of these, and if they don't work, you can always generate a new title or description. Once you find the right wording, you need to click on the green icon to accept these improvements. Then confirm your choices in each of the pop-ups. Now, let's move to AI keyword suggestions. These are based on which keywords are trending in volume that can be applied to your products and audience. The last AI suggestions are meta description, SEO link, breadcrumbs, and tags. Check them all and make sure they work for your store. You only need to approve and accept the AI SEO tags, as we just did. So, you can keep all these suggestions or click again on the AI icon placed on the right side of each and generate new AI SEO improvements. Now, let's try to generate new breadcrumbs. Here you have new ones. And that's how you use our new AI tool to improve your SEO product details. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.